Okay, so what I want to show you in this video is how you would identify if you have duplicates in a list. So I have a list here of, let's say, about 3,000. I'm just pressing Control arrow down to go to the bottom. And I want to know, have I got duplicates in my email list? Okay. Now, one way, of course, is to go and sort it, but a quicker way is to use conditional formatting to identify that. So I begin by selecting the column over here. I then come up here to Home, and I go to Conditional Formatting, and then I go to Highlight Cells Rules, and then I go down to Duplicate Values. Right. And you see there straight away over here I get this box that pops up. Got my duplicate values, there we go. And if I also can identify which ones are unique, it kind of gives me the reverse, but I'm just going to go for duplicates, and then I can click OK. Now then what I can do then is if I can filter by color, so I can come up here to data. Now duplicates in Excel means anything that's in it more than once. Okay, so it could be in it twice, it could be in it 40 times. Excel does not distinguish. So click conditional formatting. Sorry, go to data, go to filter, which is here, and then I can do a filter by color. All right, I can see there I've got 82 duplicates. I know that because when I look down here, there it is, 82 duplicates on it. And then to clear it, I just come up here to clear. Okay. Now, if I want to then just remove the conditional formatting before I remove the duplicates, I can highlight it here, go back up to Home again, go to conditional formatting, and I've just gone down to this option that says Clear Rules. And I just go Clear Rules from selected cells. Now in this case, I don't want that, so I'm just going to go Undo up here for a second. Undo, Control and Z as well. And then to remove those duplicates, I just come up here to Data, up here, and then I come over to this one which says Remove Duplicates, which is here. And I just make sure that I the only one I want to select, I unselect all, and I only select the one with email addresses. I don't want to remove any of the duplicates, just from the emails. And then I click OK. There you go. That's it done. And then if I want to just double check it, email address, up to Home, over to conditional formatting, and then go to Highlight Cells Rules, Duplicates, and if I click OK, and then if I come up here to check the color, see there the color isn't available, which means I do not have any duplicates, which is very useful indeed. Okay, hope you found this useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.